This review is of Meijer exclusive hot homestyle salsa, made in Michigan. Ooh. I just don't think of Michigan as the center of spicy food, but whatever. Nutrition facts and ingredients. Alright, let's get this open and find out whether hot means hot or if it's like most brands in America, hot means wimpy. Okay, now we're talking. This is, without a doubt, a medium spicy. Other people will say that it's either hot or super hot. But I like this level of spiciness. It's nice. As for the flavor, it's nice, but I wouldn't call it my favorite flavor. It's definitely missing cilantro and lime. So it's good, and I'm sure lots of people will like it, although maybe not at the hot level. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.